Who was Albert Einstein? Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who is widely regarded as one of the most influential scientific saints of the 20th century. He is best known for his theory of relativity and his famous equation, E equals mc squared, which describes the relationship between mass and energy. Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, to Jewish parents. His father, Hermann Einstein, was a salesman and engineer, and his mother, Pauline Koch, was a homemaker. Einstein showed an early interest in science and math, but he struggled in school and had difficulty with traditional teaching methods. In 1895, Einstein applied to the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, but he failed the entrance exam. He spent a year studying at a Swiss school and then retook the exam and was accepted to the institute. He graduated in 1900 with a degree in physics and mathematics. After graduation, Einstein struggled to find a job. He worked as a tutor and a patent clerk while continuing to study physics in his spare time. In 1905, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change the course of physics. The first paper explained the photoelectric effect, which is the phenomenon by which electrons are emitted from a metal surface when it is exposed to light. This paper helped to establish the concept of photons, which are particles of light. The second paper introduced the theory of special relativity, which describes how time and space are relative to the observer. This theory challenged the traditional Newtonian view of physics and paved the way for modern physics. The third paper introduced the idea of mass-energy equivalence, which led to his famous equation, E equals mc squared. This equation shows that mass and energy are interchangeable and that a small amount of mass can be converted into a large amount of energy. The fourth paper introduced the concept of Brownian motion, which is the random movement of particles in a fluid. This paper provided evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules, which had been a topic of debate among scientists for many years. Einstein's work in 1905 earned him a reputation as a brilliant physicist, and he was of a position at the University of Zurich. He later worked at the University of Prague and the University of Berlin. In 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity, which extended the ideas of special relativity to include gravity. This theory predicted that massive objects like planets and stars would cause a distortion in space-time, which was confirmed by observations during a solar eclipse in 1919. Einstein's work had a profound impact on the field of physics and led to many new discoveries and technologies. His theories helped to explain the behavior of subatomic particles and led to the development of nuclear energy and the atomic bomb. In addition to his scientific work, Einstein was also an advocate for peace and social justice. He was a pacifist and spoke out against war and violence. He also supported civil rights and was a member of the NAACP. Einstein immigrated to the United States in 1933 to escape Nazi persecution. He settled in Princeton, New Jersey, and became a professor at the Institute for Advanced Study. He continued to work on physics and made important contributions to the development of quantum mechanics. Einstein died on April 18, 1955, at the age of 76. His legacy continues to inspire scientists, saints and thinkers around the world, and his name has become synonymous with genius and innovation.